What's this?
This is a picture we took with the train friends.
I want to see the trains too.
Blue train, azul.
There's an alphabet letter on him.
Yeah, here's an I.
And an I on his train car.
Right. They're matching letters. This red train has a J.
And the J on her train car.
The green train has a K.
And the green train car has a K.
This train has an L.
And its train car has an L. The trains are long like bananas. Oh, Dora! I hear a train whistle.
Right. Choo-choo! I think they're the train friends.
Let's go meet the train friends. I want to take pictures with them too.
All right, Boots. Will you come with us to Choo-Choo Station and meet the train friends? Great! Let's go! I think the train friends are almost here. Where are they? Do you see Azul?
Right! I think Azul is there! Dora, Boots, please help us! Help, please!
I think something is wrong with the trains. Let's go take a look. Uh-oh!
Who is this? It's me, Azul. Azul? We passed through the forest and came out like this. I can't see well because the leaves are covering our faces. And our train cars are all mixed up too.
Uh-oh! Don't worry. We can help you. Now, we need your help. Let's clean the leaves off the trains and find their train cars. First, clean the leaves off the trains. Oh, I can see the alphabet letter. Do you know what alphabet letter this is? Right!
I! There's an I on here. I can't see well.
Let's clean the leaves. I can see the alphabet letter.
What alphabet letter is on here?
Right. J.
Please clean the leaves off me too.
Oh, I can see the alphabet letter. Do you know what alphabet letter this is? Right. K.
Me too, please.
Let's clean the leaves. I can see the alphabet letter.
What alphabet letter is on here?
Right. F. Will you find the train cars?
We need the train cars to move again.
Match the letters on Azul and the train car. I.
Choo-choo!
Find the train car that has the matching letter. J.
Choo-choo!
Find the train car that has the matching letter. K.
Yay!
Find the train car that has the matching letter. L.
Choo-choo!
Fantastic! All the train friends found their matching train cars. Thank you, guys!
Thanks for helping us move again. Come on a train trip with us. Yeah! Let's go! Get in!
Come on, let's go!